This video is all you need to start your YouTube automation in 2026. This video is going to be fast and straight to the point. In this video, I'm going to be covering how to create a YouTube account, top 10 niches you can choose from and start creating content immediately, how to generate your script, how to generate your image, how to animate it, and how to edit everything together. So without wasting much of your time, let me go to my phone screen and show you guys everything. So to create your YouTube channel is very simple. If you don't have a Google account, a Gmail account yet, go to google.com and sign up. So I already have a Google account, so I'm going to go ahead to my YouTube application and show you guys what to do next. Once you have a Google account, a Gmail account already, you go to YouTube. So once you go to YouTube, you are going to click on you. So once you have a Gmail account, it's going to take you automatically to this place. So if it is not this email you want to use, you can click on switch this switch here and switch to any email you want, this switch here. So once you come to this place, you are going to see this create a channel, this place that is showing create a channel. So you are going to click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this place. So YouTube is going to automatically write the name you use in creating the Google account. It will automatically write it for here. But if you don't want to use this name, you can change this name to any other name you want to use for your channel, depending on the niche. So you can change the name to any name you want to use. So I want to use this name now, so I'm going to save it. So this username, I want to also use it, so I'm going to also save it. But if you don't want to use it, you can just type any name you want to use. You understand? You can put your name. So this place, you are going to click on this picture icon. Sorry. Once you click on this picture icon, you are going to select picture from your device that you want to use as your profile picture on YouTube. So once you select the picture, and everything is set like this, just click on create channel. This place, just click on create channel. So once you click on create channel, just give it a few minutes and a few seconds, and your channel will be created. So once your channel is created, click on edit channel. So once you click on edit channel, you can edit anything here. If you want to edit your name, if you want to edit your username, if you want to add description, like you want to explain the kind of video you are we want to explain what your channel is all about, you can write the description here. So once you write the description here, this place, you are going to see this cover photo. If you don't have your cover photo yet, the cover photo you want to use for your YouTube, like your YouTube banner, you are going to go to Canva. So once you go to Canva, you are going to search YouTube banner. They are going to bring a lot of template for you to edit. So if you find anyone you like, let me say I love this one, so I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, this place, we can basically type anything and edit. If you want to change the name, you can change the name. So once you are done editing everything, just click on download and save it to your device. It's very simple, you understand? So once you save it to your device, go back to your YouTube and update it. Click here and update the picture just save from your Canva. So if you don't know the name to use for your channel, you can use ChatGPT. Yes, ask ChatGPT to give you names. You can select from the recommendation ChatGPT give you. So this is basically how to create a YouTube channel. It's very simple. You see, we have already created a YouTube channel. It's not that complicated. Hope you understand. Here are top 10 niches you can choose from. Number 1 is horror story. Number 2 is African folktales. Number 3 is psychology and human behavior. Number 4 is personal finance and investment. Number 5 is motivational content. Number 6 is weird facts and curiosity. Number 7 is true crime story. Number 8 is dark history and untold history. Number 9 is relationship psychology. And the last one, which is number 10, is science and technology. So you can select from any of these and you are good to go. So let's get to the right part of let's go to the next part of this video. So now let's create our video. If you don't have idea of what you want to create, you can ask ChatGPT for idea, but me, I know what I want to create now, so I will just go ahead and tell ChatGPT to give me a script for this video. So I will tell ChatGPT I need a 40-second script. for this video. The story of the Ata Igala from Kogi State, Nigeria. Then I'll just go ahead and send it. Hope you understand. So as you can see, this is the script ChatGPT give me. Most people don't know this, but one of Nigeria's most powerful traditional title is the Ata of Igala from Kogi State. The Ata is just a king. Is the spiritual and political head of the Igala people. You can see the script. So this is what I'm going to do now. I will just tell ChatGPT to give me image prompt for this script. Give me image prompt for this script. So guys, now that we have our script, let's go ahead and generate the audio. So I'm going to copy the script. Let's head over to 11 Lab. So once you are in your 11 Lab, click on new. But for those of you saying that you cannot use 11 Lab, is paid, click on the link in my bio or the link in the description of this video to join our Telegram group. I'm going to explain how to get the free credit to generate voiceover for your video. So and for those of you that are already in, so we don't need to like worry yourself again. But if you are not yet in our Telegram channel, our Telegram group is actually a group. Click the link to join. So once you are here in your 11 Lab, click on new, click on text to speech. So once you click on text to speech, so this place you are going to click on this place and select for voice. You understand? So let's search for Nigeria. So once you search for Nigeria, because this is a Nigerian story, so I want to use a Nigerian person for it. So I'm going to like go through. You can go through play the audio.
Remember this, trust in your journey.
So you can play the audio and just go through them. You can play the audio and go through them. But I think there's one lady, I love her voice, so I'm going to like select it. I think Taiwo, something like that. Let me search. Okay, this is Taiwo.
I am so conversational and inviting.
So I'm going to select this. So I've already selected it. So I'm going to go back. So once I go back, I'm going to paste my script here. So once I paste my script here, I'm going to click on generate. Hope you understand. Once I paste my script, I'm going to click on
Most
generate.
people don't know this, but one of
and as you can see, our voice is ready. So I'm going to click on download and save it to file. Once I click on the download icon, I'm going to download only the audio. Download audio clip. This one I'm going to click on download audio clip and click on save to file. So I can name it. So let's name it to anything. Let me just say, okay, African story. Let me just African story. Let me just do it like this and just save it. So now we have our audio. So guys, now that we are done with our voiceover, so let's go ahead and generate all the image clips we are going to use in the video. So I'm going to copy the image prompt one. So I'm going to copy it, head over to my Chrome browser. So once I head over to my Chrome browser, I go to labs.google. Then you open ImageFS. Labs.google. See the link here, labs.google. Then you go to ImageFS. So once you are in ImageFS, you are going to paste your script here. So let's go ahead and paste it. So once I click on paste, then I click on generate. Let's give it a few seconds and it's going to like generate our image. Hope you can see. So it has generated our image. So we are going to go through it and select the one we like. I think I like this one, so let's download this and let's click on save. So let's go and generate the second image. We go to the second prompt again. We copy the second prompt. So once we copy the second prompt, we come here. So once we come here, we refresh. We click on refresh. Let's refresh. All right, so once we refresh, we paste in the image prompt. So we click on generate. So as you can see, it has generated our image for us. So let's go through it and select the one we like, and I think this one is okay. Let's go ahead and just save it. So let's do it for the third prompt. I'm going to copy it again, come here, refresh it. I'm going to paste it. So I think I like this one. I'm going to download it. So without wasting much of your time, so I'm going to do this for all the image prompts. So I don't want the video to be too long. I'm going to do it for all the image prompts, and we go to the next one. So guys, I forgot to show you guys something. If you want to do it in portrait, you don't want landscape like this, you can just click on setting. So once you click on setting, you are going to see landscape. Just click on it and you select portrait. So guys, once you have all your image, here's how to animate your image. So this is what you are going to do. Go to your app store or your play store and install Grok AI. So once you install Grok AI, go ahead and open it. So once you open your Grok AI, you are going to see ask, you are going to see imagine. So this imagine here, you are going to click on imagine. So once you click on imagine, you are going to click on this place and click on video. So once you click on video, you are going to see this image icon with this plus sign. Click on it, then click on animate photo. So once you click on the animate photo, then you select the image. So these are the image we generated. These are all the image we generated. So I'm going to click on it. So once I click on it, you are going to give it a few seconds and it's going to generate the image. So I'm going to do this for all the image. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to do this for all the image, then we go to the next step. So guys, this is the last part. So once you have animated all your images, you are going to go to your app store or your play store and install InShot. Once you install InShot, click on it, enter inside, click on video, click on new. So once you click on new, InShot is a free app, you understand, you are not paying anything for it. So once you click on new, you are going to select the video. So let's select all the animated clip, all the animated image we generate. After selecting everything, click on mark to upload them. So once you upload them, click on this canvas and select the size to 16 by 9, which is YouTube format. So because that is what we are going to be using for this. So if you want to remove the InShot logo, it's free. Just click on it and watch advert. Yes, that is how to do it. So after watching a 30-second advert, the watermark will automatically remove. So this, for those of you saying I don't have money to pay for CapCut, I don't have money to pay for this, you can use InShot. InShot is completely free. So once you have import all your clip, just click on mute to mute the sound, because you are not going to be using the sound. Then you are going to click on this audio. Once you click on audio, you click on music. So once you click on music, you click on import. So once you click on import, you click on file. So we are going to import that file. So I'm going to look for the file, African Story. This is the audio. So I'm going to import it. Once I import it,
Most people don't know this, but
hope
one
you
of
guys can see
Nigeria's
it.
most
So let me add it. So this is the audio. So you can see, you can play through it.
history, its legacy.
You can see at the end you can just the last one, you can just click on animation and you click on out, then you click on fade.
Legacy.
You understand? So as you can see, our video is ready. You can import it from here and start uploading on your channel. So I'm going to play the full video for you guys to watch. So make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more updates. Try and join our Telegram community where you can ask questions, meet a lot of other creatives there. So thank you. Let me play the full video for you guys so you can watch. So download your video from InShot and go ahead to post it. You can see this download icon here. Just click on it and click on save, and it will automatically save to your device. So this is how to save it. It's very simple.
Most people don't know this, but one of Nigeria's most powerful traditional titles is the Ata of Igala from Kogi State. The Ata isn't just a king, he's the spiritual and political head of the Igala people. The Igala kingdom traces its roots back hundreds of years with strong links to ancient Benin and Yoruba civilizations. Traditionally, the Ata controlled trade routes along the river Niger and played a major role in regional politics. Even today, the Ata remains a symbol of unity, culture, and authority for the Igala people. This isn't just history, it's legacy.